We right now are seeing something very strange take place for XRP. We haven't talked about XRP in a few days, but I think we should because we are seeing something that we have not seen since October. And this is very different times than October. I want to discuss that as well as a few other things that continue to remain business as usual for XRP. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So XRP just kind of continues to hang around this 236 level, this $2 mark. We're kind of just bouncing around, and XRP didn't really have a good push over its 20-day moving average over the past week and a half or so, which is disappointing. We obviously had an opportunity to try to attack the top of this trend around $2.30 and try to break out, but it seems like the market just isn't quite ready for that yet. I think that time will be coming soon, and maybe that is just the excitement surrounding an interest rate decrease next week. Maybe it's more XRP spot ETFs that go live, but either way, we're just still sitting in this trend, waiting for a moment that we can try to attack this big 57% breakout like we were discussing. Now, here's the thing is BTC is also not breaching and sustaining above its 20-day moving average, also getting rejected by its 386 level, or its, I'm sorry, 382 level. And so we're just kind of watching and waiting. Again, it's boring. It sucks. I get it. We have a couple bearish crosses taking place in terms of daily stochastic RSI, suggesting that we may have a little bit more downside here. But I did find something very strange here. And that is right now, we are actually in the highest fear levels since October in terms of XRP. What's strange about this, and let me just zoom out here so you can see this, we right now are seeing more fear surrounding XRP than what we saw back here. Does that really make a whole lot of sense? The answer is no, it really doesn't. There are a lot of things that are continuing to remain very strong for XRP. First of all, XRP is actually the only asset outside of Link, which just had their ETFs go live, the only asset outside of Link that has seen sustained inflows, even as we've gone on this wild ride over the past basically month or so, I will say. BTC has had outflows. Ethereum has had outflows. Solana has had outflows. So you're seeing strong demand and strong institutional accumulation. And it's not surprising because remember, these times are meant to shake retail. They're meant to make people capitulate and lose conviction of their assets. And it doesn't seem to be the case for XRP, either on the institutional side or on the retail side. Because what we are yet again seeing is another super strong week of exchange supply removal in terms of XRP. $143 million worth of XRP removed from exchanges just this week alone. So on a fundamental level, we're looking really good. On an institutional level, we're looking really good. On a development and partnership level, we continue to look really good. All these things are just things that are really showing the strength of XRP right now. And it really feels like the price is, again, just the lagging metric. It's always going to be the last thing to move. And it feels like the next big move we have in the market is one again, where XRP is going to be maybe not a front runner just because of its size, but it's going to be one of the better performers, especially for an asset of its size. And it's like I've said before, when we do get into this alt season per se, or traditional alt season, I feel like XRP is going to be one of those because of it being a US based asset, because of all the partnerships, because of all the demand. It's something that is probably going to be a major leader at that point, if you will. The US assets, I think, are going to be the ones that kind of lead the way for the rest of the crypto market. So that's all I got for you guys. I lost my train of thought, but that's all I got for you guys. We'll see what happens as this week progresses. I think next week is the big thing to focus on, obviously, but hopefully we can get a bit of excitement headed into the weekend. Appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.